Okay, this is putting MG1 1500 on painted metal. Metal that's already been outside, oxidized, and I've got a small square ready on a dumpster that's outside of our office. And the first thing you want to do is you want to wipe it down with alcohol to get the oxidation off and to clean the surface. So, plus the alcohol will dry quickly and you can get to work. Alright, now take your 1500, shake it. Always shake it before you use it. Every time you pick up, shake it. Make sure that catalyst is in there. And we're just going to pour it into a small container. And there are two different ways of applying this. I'm going to apply half with a microfiber cloth. You just get a little bit on there, make sure it's not totally saturated, and then I'm going to smear on this side and then top to bottom to make sure that I've got it on there even. Or my favorite is a staining sponge. The staining sponge keeps a lot more product in there, and I can actually do a better job of control. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to smear over to the side that I've already done, and then come down. And when you bring it top to bottom, it makes everything uniform. And if you'll notice, it's already made the color pop again.